Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix missing search tab to the Outlook ribbon. Click File, click Options. Click Customize ribbon. Select Tool tabs. Select Search, click Add. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.